The third target in SDG 15, target 15.3, by 2030, combat desertification, restore degraded land and soil, including land affected by desertification, droughts and floods, and strive to achieve a land degradation neutral world. The indicator for this is the proportion of land that is degraded over total land area. And the key comment here is that trends in land degradation continue affecting the lives of 1.3 billion people. Between 2015 and 2019, the world has been losing at least 100 million hectares of healthy and productive land every year. 100 million hectares. This amounts to an area twice the size of Greenland lost over 4 years, 2000 to 2019, in Eastern Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean, and Central Asia. At least 20% of the total land area was degraded, while most other regions were over 10%. Trends since 2015 show that land in sub-Saharan Africa, Western Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean and Southern Asia is degrading considerably faster than the global average, with 6 to 8% increases. These are conservative estimates based on just 3 sub-indicators: changes in land cover, land productivity, and organic carbon in soil. Human activities such as urban expansion, deforestation, and grassland conversion, intensified by climate change, have been identified by countries as the direct drivers of land degradation. Grasslands incurred some of the greatest losses in land productivity, followed by croplands and tree-covered areas. Reporting countries indicated that indirect drivers such as demographic and economic trends, institutional and governance challenges, and gaps in investment and access to technology need to be addressed to enable an effective response to land degradation. At the midpoint of the implementation of the SDGs, if these alarming trends in land degradation continue, we would need to restore 1.5 billion hectares by 2030 to ensure a land degradation neutral world. However, if we were to avoid new land degradation and accelerate the implementation of the existing commitments to restore 1 billion hectares, the neutrality target would not only be achieved but exceeded by 2030. This would require greater investments in conservation, sustainable management and restoration of land through the integrated land use planning and robust environmental and social safeguards. Land restoration includes a broad range of sustainable land and water management practices that can be applied to 1. Conserve or rewild natural areas, 2. Upscale nature-positive food production in rural landscapes, and 3. Green urban areas, infrastructure and supply chains. The land restoration agenda promotes a multiple benefit strategy that reverses past land degradation and biodiversity loss while increasing food and water security, improving livelihoods, and mitigating and adapting to climate change. Land restoration is a shared responsibility. Everyone has a role to play because everyone has a stake in the health of the land, and now and into its future. Governments, businesses, and communities can restore land together by seeking convergence and complementarity. Environmental and development priorities can be responsibly managed to create a healthier mosaic of land uses without compromising the needs and aspirations of current and future generations.